a town. Wreck the country mongrel, them can't hold him down. Walk through zinc fence and
Rex.
sound.
One new preps in the lane, you know. Man's Jasper, granddaughter from town. Pretty little filly, me tell you.
Yeah. And that you say, Shaggy.
Me have to pull up on her brawling later.
Make we reach our foot now, my friend. Mass Jasper!
Grandpa's not here right now.
Bingo, how me I go get that uptown girl, yeah? Me need help, bad.
Me know an elder will give galis class. Make we go link him. Forward.
Rasta Monkey. Want make you hide back at the tree?
My baby mother I look for me youth. She say me owe for school fee.
Want go on, we don't know now. Everything, Chris?
No, sir. Rex need galis lessons.
Monkey, me like the uptown girl up a Jasper yard. No one win her star.
Then fix up yourself. Girl love confidence, no curry goat chat.
Before you talk to a woman, dog, fix your spirit. Them feel energy before them hear word.
Greetings. Yeah? You carry a strong spirit, me. Ciao. That sound off, man. Alright. Blessings, me empress. Me there have to say? Huh? Me there have to say, Joe, before I get the line.
Good evening, princess. Me just pass for check pan grandpa, but my glad is you my buck.
You cleaned up nice.
Rex? I saw you out here disgrace yourself. I flirt with people, gal picnic. Go in your yard.
Rex, next time you're passing, bring 2 fried dumplings for me, okay, love?
I'm in that.
Rex, come bring them dumplings. You go get Charlie for me. Me late for devotion, man.
Charlie. But me know who really love fried dumpling.
Rex, when you're coming, bring 2 fried dumplings for me.
Why go on, Rex? Why the pan?
Miss Patsy say forget Charlie this. But at the preps are Jasper, my plan for reach.
Come then now, let me roll. Hey, mongrel boy Rex. Me no want to see you back down, yeah? And my girl that. Give me them dumpling, yeah? Hey boy Max, this not done here. That Rex not take disrespect.
I would have boy Max the think him a ramp with. Me nah forget this. Me a link Rasta Monkey, me tell her.
It's been weeks. I haven't seen Rex. Probably he's not serious. He's lost then.
Me have to link Rasta Monkey. Boy Max take my food and mash up my move. I bet say him lose.
Me a real top dog. Rex a little mongrel puppy.
Rex, Max out a Jasper gate a lyrics your preps dog. Man say you wait like 7 days, me G. Me say, I would that boy Max think him a ramp with. I'm a woman that. Me a go mash up him clot. Remember me tell you, me no yam rice when it hot. What sweet nanny goat a go run him belly. No fight fire with fire. Humble your spirit. Make the Almighty deal with the fool them. Give her thanks in a Rasta. I touch back my ends now. Make we see how everything play out.
I want big man in a town. Wreck the country mongrel, them can't hold him down.
Rex! Where the dumplings them there when me give forgive Charlie? Sorry for my dog them turn round yam ya.
Mass Rufus, dog Max take it from me. Come!
Make we go down there now. Him too damn bright and out of order. Watch me and him.
One big man in a town. Wreck the country mongrel, them can't hold him down. Walk through zinc fence.
Miss Patsy. How you look, so? Who trouble you today? Me give Rex dumplings, me give Charlie and Dirty Max. Max, take them, yam them. Gussie, come out here now. Your dog have to learn manners.
I want Max there now, Patsy. Your damn dog always are getting in trouble, you know.
Me send Rex with dumpling go Charlie, and your dog take it from him and tell him now come back down here.
Max, I can't believe you did that. All this time you had me thinking Rex abandoned me, Nash. I don't ever want to see you again.
Go round back and go in your kennel. You now come back out on the road. This now happen again, Patsy. I'm sorry, Rex. I'm sorry, Princess. I let down everybody.
I will want some lunch. Come make we go up now.